So I want to explain you, Rodolfo, because you are not working with IT technology. I will try to explain you some steps of Scrum. One of them is sprint planning meeting. It's something. It's a meet that people they are together to discuss about the problems
Discuss,
and
discuss.
discuss about the problem, not the problem, discuss about the requirements of the process, and they should know what they are going to do ahead in the timeline and keep and planning, keeping something on the background when put something in background and something in some others planning to people develop and work on it.
Rank things, for example. That's the most important. We gotta do it
Rank,
now and
yeah, rank
rank.
things and how can I say timeline is okay to say
Yes,
timeline.
yes, respect a timeline. Create a calendar, schedule, an agenda
Yeah,
for the.
okay. So it's a timeline to distribute. And there's a manager involved. There's a and people around the institution is about and background things are are kept.
Are kept are kept for people to do it or people not to do it for a while.
Because there's amount to do, and some others you kept
In the
if things
background.
flowing okay, and
Okay.
you got it before the time planning, you can
Perfect.
recover to the back and continues and
Perfect. I got it. It's a way to
okay.
organize the project. That's it.
That that's the resume. Yeah.
Okay.
And the second thing is daily meeting.
Okay.
It's something you have a meet at a short time in a day. Before the pandemic, it was you generally discuss the things
Discuss.
in a discuss in a circle. You don't sit on the you generally don't sit on your chair to be faster in your discussing your problems to see the problems, and then you can say what you the problems you had last day, what you are doing now, and what you are going to do during the day and the next day.
Okay.
So you tell people exactly about your problems, about what you are doing, and if they have a chance, you can help you about the topic you have some problems.
Nice.
It's a nice time to do it.
Interesting. Scrum
So
method
that's
is
it.
for.
I forgot something, Gabriel, because I don't use this only.
No, it was really good explanation.
Okay.
You told us about planning meeting and daily meeting.
This
Okay.
this is for teams only. For example,
No,
I am a one guy company and can I this group session is going to be with my other versions, the other Rodolfos.
you can use. I guess you can use alone. Don't you think?
I think yeah, because you can organize your ideas with yourself. Yeah.
Got it. Nice, nice. Yes, like putting different areas to converse, to talk, or to complement each other. Totally, I got it. I can see it. I can picture it. Totally. Nice.
That's it.
Your presentation was very clear. I totally got it. It was nice. In the beginning,
Good.
I was kind of lost, but I understood this uh, effective way to put the team to work together and organize. This was your part. Organize this to work and uh, rank the most important things, and let's do it first. And the rest of the people, if there is time left, we can focus on the not so important things. Perfect. Let's make it happen. All right, got it. Great. Gabriel.
I put some slides
Okay.
to help us understand. Uh, so, are you seeing?
I got it.
So Fernando told us about the product backlog, which is the list of tasks or features we want to build in our project. And he told about the sprint plan, which is this meeting. We need to choose some tasks to do in this period of time. This period of time usually is 14 days, and it's called sprint. Okay?
Sprint in English is a fast run.
Yeah, exactly. So you have 14 days about sprinting and running to achieve this objective, which is complete all tasks selected on the sprint plan. Okay?
Okay.
And Fernando told us about the date SCRUM, which is check what is our improvement every day. Check if there is some problems to resolve or something like that. So I'm going to present now the sprint review and the sprint retrospective. Retros,
Retrospective.
yeah.
That's GFQ even in Portuguese.
Yeah.
Retrospective.
Retrospective, yeah.
Okay.
Retrospective. So, the sprint review, usually it's a meeting with 2 to 4 hours.
So sprint review usually lasts
Lasts
2 to 4 hours.
2 to 4 hours, yeah. That is not you can change this.
Nice.
For example, my team usually lasts, the sprint review lasts only 1 hour.
Okay.
So the objective of this meeting is check how many tasks we complete. If there is some task we cannot deliver at this moment because there is some problem or some blocked task. For example, I need to Rodolfo finish his tasks before I finish mine. So we can talk about this and present the done functionalities. For example, I did this, Fernando did that, and Rodolfo did that, and we share our screen and prove this functionality are done. And we update our product backlog, removing this done functionalities from our list, our backlog list, and just programming the next sprint's planning date. Okay? So the retrospective, it's a meeting that lasts 30 minutes to 3 hours. But my team, for example, just use 15 minutes, something like that. And we just tell what went well, what we could improve, what can we improve it. And we can compliment someone to a very nice job. For example, Rodolfo, very well. You are really good in this task. You really help our team. Fernando, very good implementation of the code. The code quality is so good. So we can make some compliments to people in our team. And that's it. And I bring you one practical example of a really good tool you can use to using planning meeting, which Fernando presents to us. First of all, there is the roles we have in Scrum.
There are some rules.
Yeah, there are some roles. For example, we have the product owner, which is the member who organizes the product backlog, defines the priority, defines features, and you, Rodolfo, you need to put your wish list in a list on Trello, a list on Google Docs, and something like that.
That's a business guy, right?
Yeah, usually he's a business guy and bring some features from the customers, for example.
The requirements came out.
Yeah, exactly. And the Scrum Master is a role that organize the daily routine and assure that ceremonies are going to happen, assure that there is no problem to execute some task, something like that. And the development team, the team,
Is Russia. Is Russia.
no, the development team is the team uh, that are going to develop the features and deliver.
Please, may I give you an example? Scrum Master. Can I make some examples similar of the one that don't like to use a
Okay, that's
How
the
they
guy.
call sync in English?
I would call the condo manager, but let me just make
Condo
sure.
manage.
Yeah.
It's something like that. A condo manager, we organize everything.
Yeah, it's a
It
good
goes
example.
everywhere, every place, and makes things flowing.
Yeah, it's a really good example. And just to
Building
exemplify-
manager. Building manager. Okay.
Building.
And just to exemplify, we can use a practice here.
Okay.
And so I'm going to send you a link. I will create this room at Scrum Poker. Scrum Poker is a methodology we can use to plan our sprint. Okay? So the product owner, which is Rodolfo in this case, okay? Product owner list puts some homeworks for me and Fernando to do. And every class he sent us a homework, a different homework. But me and Fernando don't know me and Fernando maybe disagree about the difficulty about each homework. But we need the same time to do this homework, okay? So let's do this practice. So I sent you a link here. If you can enter in this link, put your name in it. Okay, Rodolfo is here. Fernando, if you could be here too. Okay, so Rodolfo, what is your next homework? You already told us what it is.
It's a video.
Video consideration.
Yeah, a 1 minute video.
Yeah, 1 minute video.
Okay, so sorry. Okay, you have some cards in your screen.
Yes, I do.
Okay, you have cards from 1 to 20. Okay, and if you consider this task really easy, you put the one card, the card with value 1. But
It's a rate, right?
yeah, it's a rate. For example, if the video was just saying hello, your name and your age, it's a really simple video. So you vote in this part. But if it was a video with 30 minutes and you need to tell all about yourself and something like that, you are going to choose the 20 point score. Okay?
Okay.
So just to exemplify, choose some cards, please, about this test. Okay, 1 minute video.
I've done it. I chose
Yeah, Rodolfo is green to me. Fernando can choose some card.
How can I choose it? I
it.
don't
Play,
know.
play.
Play, okay. Okay. It's rate the consider video, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I don't.
Okay, so I'm going to show your votes. Rodolfo chose the 8 value card, and Fernando chose the 1 value card. So now, you two are going to discuss about this test. Rodolfo, why do you think it is a 8 value card?
Considering your parameters of one, it's a video with your name, your age, and that's it. And a more complex 30 minutes video would be 20. I chose something in the middle. It's a professional presentation, but you gotta show me your skills of a job interview. Like, I would like you, in a perfect scenario, to be well dressed. Of course, I'm not asking you this, but considering the simplicity of the script you already have, and you just need to practice for one, maybe two, three, four videos before sending the final version. I believe that's not very difficult. That's a number 8, but not so easy like, hello, my name is Rodolfo, nice to meet you, see you later. That's my point.
Okay. Nice point of view. So, Fernando, why do you think it's a 1 valid test?
Just because I made exactly how you say, only a simple phrase, what's your name, how rich are you, and point. Just because for me it was very easy to make a consideration, so I rated to number 1.
Okay, Fernando considered Gabriel's example of a very simple
Yeah.
video. Oh.
Yeah. But it was good because, look, I need to, or Rodolfo needs to tell us again about the homework. Because the test is, what is, Rodolfo?
The video you gotta record for a minute. Basically, it's the audio you have recorded already. So you are going to transform something that's audio file now into images, video file. That's it.
Okay. So now we can vote again. So put this test, Fernando, what is the value of this test? And now Fernando puts 13. Why, Fernando?
Because it's more complete than the other topic. I think now he's going to see not the voice of the person, but the expression and the breath of the person and the time. I think it's more complex than the other one.
It was a good explanation, isn't it? Rodolfo?
Totally, it makes total sense. Even though you have a script, I'm asking for more. Yes, it is more difficult because that's the game I give you guys to play. But yes, it's a little more difficult. It's a little more
Well,
complex.
very nice. If Fernando convince yourself, now you need to put the 13 value. But if he doesn't convince yourself,
If
you
he
put
didn't, if he
But
didn't,
let me ask you, not average is going to be the final rate?
No. Usually, when everyone put the same value, we finish this voting.
wow.
But when usually it just happen 2 or 3 times, okay, by every test. But if after 3 times everyone put some different value, we just select the value with most appearances, for example. So, just to finish, vote again, please. Just to check if Fernando
Oh,
convinced.
come on. That's so nice, yeah.
Fernando, put your vote. Okay, so
Yeah,
this
nice.
is the difficulty of our.
We agree
Yes, we agree.
of the point of view.
Yeah, and it's nice because usually we have some seniors developers, some juniors developers, and the difficulty to a senior developer is different to a junior developer.
Yeah.
So the junior developer are going to point uh, his point of view and the senior as well. And we need to agree with a punctuation nice to both.
Common ground.
Yeah.
Common ground is an expression for we need to find something common here. Let's try to agree.
Good, I never hear the common ground.
Yeah.
Common ground.
And this game is called SCRUM poker because we pick some card and select the value and just turn the card at the same time. Then you turn the card at the same time exactly to Fernando does not know what value Rodolfo choose. And it's good because if Fernando saw the value, it could be, influenced by Rodolfo's choice. So it's good because of a lot of reasons.
I love it. It was amazing. What an experience. Motherfucker is a show, man. Wow.
Nice. I'm glad you like it.
Great. That's your presentation?
Yeah.
Wow, fantastic.